Gray walls have been the go-to for years, but as a real estate professional who's helped over 100 people, I can tell you that this color might actually be hurting you when you're thinking about selling your home. And the new top choices are a bit of a game changer. Here's the thing, gray has been dominating for a long time, but buyers are finally over it. In this video, I'm going to show you why gray is on its way out, reveal the hottest new color trends, and share how you can use them to boost your home's value and appeal. So let's get into it. Okay, full disclosure, I am not a design expert, but I am a real estate expert, and I've been selling homes for almost 9 years, and I can tell you with certainty what buyers are looking for in the current market. And believe it or not, paint colors matter a lot. Look, I get it. You probably don't keep up with the latest design trends, but when you're starting to think about listing your home for sale and you're thinking about how can you maximize the value of your property when you do sell it, you're going to want to think about paint. That's why we're talking about gray walls today, because it was the go-to for so long, but that trend is ending, and you need to know and be up to date with what buyers are looking for in 2025 and moving forward. So what changed? And why are designers and buyers moving away from gray? The reason why gray was so popular is because it fit well with almost everything. People thought of it as very neutral, and they were appealing. For years, gray was the king of neutral colors. It's versatile, clean, and made just about every home look like a page out of a catalog. But here's the thing, times have changed and people have been moving more towards things and colors that make them feel homey, they make them feel warm and invited, and look, gray is just not cutting it anymore. So what does this mean for your home? Look, I'm not saying that if you have gray walls, you need to completely paint them, right? Because here's the thing, if you like it and you're living there, then that's fine. But if you are really truly thinking about how to maximize the value of your property when you're selling, you want to consider painting a different color. And pay close attention to this next section because the new colors are a total game changer. So what is taking over? Warm, earthy tones like creamy beige, soft taupe, and grayish. A mix of gray and beige are stealing the spotlight. And here's a surprise, muted greens and blues are making a big comeback as well. They're calming, natural, and they add just enough color to make a space feel really alive. And for you as a potential seller or a homeowner, when you're thinking in that mode of getting your home ready, you want to think about what appeals most to a buyer in the current market. So I'm not talking about 2024 anymore. I'm talking about 2025 and beyond. This is what you need to start doing when you're thinking about painting for the future. But knowing what colors are trending is just a start. How you use them matters even more. I'll give you tips on this in just a bit, so stick around. So if all these design things that I'm talking about today really doesn't appeal to you and you just need someone to help you along the way because you are thinking about selling, you need to work with a great agent who has an interior design team behind them that can guide you in the right direction. So if you need any agent across the US or Canada, just click that link below in the description, schedule an appointment with me. I'll help you. We'll talk for 15-20 minutes, find out what you need and you want, and I'll connect you with the right agent. So here's where it gets a little fun, and it's really choosing the right colors for your home for your specific market. If you are selling, go for light, neutral tones in common areas. They brighten up the space, make it feel bigger, and give buyers a blank canvas to imagine their own style. For rooms like bedrooms and bathrooms, you can give it a touch of muted green or light blues. These colors are subtle, but they give it a little bit more personality and it really help it to stand out to buyers in photos and definitely during showings. And remember, even small changes can make a big impact. Which brings me to a little bonus tip that you do not want to miss. Here is why this all matters. When it comes to paint and return on investment, I believe that painting is the #1 thing you can do to get the highest return on investment when you're thinking about selling your home, hands down. A fresh, modern color palette can instantly make your home feel more appealing to buyers. And when it's more appealing to buyers, that means you're potentially going to get more offers and then sell your home for over asking price. So if your walls are still gray and you're thinking about doing this update to add value, then you're going to want to go with some of the colors that we talked about in the video. And also, don't feel like you have to paint your home overnight. You can go room by room and you can actually do it yourself. So instead of hiring a professional, this is something you can do yourself that's even going to give you more return on your investment and help you sell for more money. So if you are in the market to sell your home and you want my 10 best tips to get your home prepared and ready to sell quickly, just click on this video here.